How to report traffic or accident in Waze. First, open your Waze app and make sure your GPS is turned on. Now start navigation. You can only report event like traffic or accident while you are on the map screen. Tap the report button. On the Waze map screen, tap the orange space blue icon. This is your report button. Choose what to report. You will see several options like traffic, accident, hazard, police, map. Tap the one you want to report. If you are reporting traffic, choose how heavy it is, light, moderate, or heavy. If it's an accident, select major, minor, and other the side. Once you have selected the type and detail, tap report. Your report will appear on the Waze map to help other drivers nearby. And every time you report accurately, you earn points and badges on Waze. So you are not just helping others, you are leveling up too. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.